Hello student, good morning. I am Dr.Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss artificial rain. Artificial rain. What is an artificial rain? It is a practice of artificially inducing or increasing precipitation through clouds by adding external agents. Again, I am telling you, it is a practice of artificially inducing or increasing precipitation through clouds by adding external agents. What is the external agents here? Then external agents, two external agents can be used. First is dry ice. Dry ice means solid carbon dioxide gas first, and second, that is silver iodide, AgI. Chemical name is silver iodide, AgI. These two are the external agents. Cloud seeding. Cloud seeding is the method to create artificial rain. Cloud seeding is also referred to as man-made precipitation and artificial rain making. Cloud seeding is the method of modification of the weather. In this process, the artificial rain is produced by spraying dry ice, means frozen carbon dioxide or solid carbon dioxide, and other agent already told you, silver iodide. Silver iodide aerosols. These are sprayed into the upper part of the cloud and trying to stimulate precipitation and form rain. The stimulation can be done by using aeroplane and rocket. How will you spread this silver iodide or this solid carbon dioxide? How will you spread? Then this is done by use of rocket or plane. Artificial rain is based on the principle of coagulation. Principle of coagulation. Artificial rain is formed by cloud seeding, in which dry ice is sprayed over the clouds to stimulate the growth of water droplets through collision and coagulation. Actually, clouds are in the particles form, very small particles form. Here particles of H2O, only one H2O. Only one H2O means one water molecules, all are separated. Then by use of these two agents, means dry ice and silver iodide, by spreading that, particles may come closer. They will come together and they will form big and bigger molecules, and when their size will be very big and will come very heavy, and air can't sustain its mass weight, then it will come down as rain. Then this process, coming closer to each other and making bigger molecules, that is called actually coagulation, also called precipitation. Then here actually that all are small water molecules, but they are at a distance, they are not close. when they are in the form of cloud. But by the use of this, that they will make one bond that called hydrogen bond. H2, 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 all H2O will join by a bond called hydrogen bond, and this will become big size. Okay. Then here you can say some charged, positive, negative charge. Due to that positive, negative charge, they will join to each other. Oxygen is electronegative, hydrogen is electropositive. That when they will come close, then they will join to each other by this different type of charge, positive and negative, and it will make big molecules. It will form a big molecules, and when size will become more and will become heavy, and air can't sustain its weight, it will come down as a rain. This I have told you. Now more about artificial rain. The UAE means the United Arab Emirates is the one of the first countries in the Persian Gulf region to use cloud seeding technology. Artificial rain has a long history. In 1946, the first experiment to create it was conducted in New York. The hope was it might help tackle severe drought gripping the countries. Okay. This cloud seeding was invented that time only. And for heavy rains, how will you create heavy rains? Then firing silver iodide, AgI, firing silver iodide into the cloud is also a method to create heavy rainfall. Firing means you have to this silver iodide, you have to just spread in very fast way. Okay, firing silver iodide into the cloud is a method to create heavy rainfall. This is an extremely expensive method, and it cost around 200 USD, United States dollar, USD, for just 1 foot of rainfall. Another interesting and lesser known fact is that cloud seeding has been done in India as well. Who was the scientist? Who was that scientist created this cloud seeding? Then its name is Vincent J. Schaffer. He was the scientist, he is the chemist, a chemist who invented cloud seeding and created the first artificially induced snow and rainfall. Most cloud seeding operations, including those run by Desert Research Institute, DRI, Desert Research Institute, use a compound called silver iodide to add in the formation of ice crystal. Silver iodide exists naturally in the environment at low concentration and is not known to be harmful to human or wildlife. This is actually according to DRI, Desert Research Institute. But one fact is there. They are telling DRI, according to DRI, it is not harmful for human being and these plants and animals. But fact is there that silver is harmful. It is a heavy metal, and it is toxic to mankind, plants and animals. This is a fact. And according to the scientist, according to the scientists also, uh, this method means artificial rain technique. This method can lead to as a acidification, can lead to acidification of the ocean. Second, ozone layer depletion. And third, increase in the levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide. Three things is possible. Okay, first, that acidification of the ocean means ocean may turn to acidic. Second, ozone layer depletion means ozone layer hole may be there, may become, and due to that UV light, harmful light can reach to the our atmosphere on the earth. And third things, carbon dioxide level can increase in our atmosphere. And silver is a heavy metal, heavy toxic metal, and it harms the health of the plants, humans and animals. This is according to scientists. Okay, hence actually technique is very useful. This artificial rain technique method is very useful, but these techniques must be used in a judicious way. It is very helpful by thinking whether it can harm or not harm to the mankind, or that where it is required, for what purpose this water they want. They can use the technique in a judicious manner. Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.